Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today we are going to learn how to your password of TicketMaster. Open your TicketMaster app, then tap on your top left corner, then tap on my account. Then over here you will come across sign in page. Then here you have the option of forget password under email address and password in bold blue color. Tap on it. Then you'll come across reset password. Enter your email address. Then tap on next. Then they'll send you your code in your Gmail. Then copy the code. I have got one. I'll copy my code and then enter it. Then tap on confirm. Here enter your new password. Your password must contain 8 letters character, including letters and numbers. And after doing so, tap on reset password. Then your password will be reset. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure you like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more such content.